Are you looking for the top 5 best budget carpet cleaners? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best budget carpet cleaners on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Bissell 1400B Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green rose to fame on TikTok as users filmed themselves cleaning impossible-looking stains on carpet, couches, and chairs while posting with the tag #LittleGreenMachine. When we brought the portable carpet cleaner into the lab on multiple occasions, we had low expectations that it would live up to the hype. We were wrong. The Bissell Little Green Carpet Cleaner went viral for a reason, says our lab tester. It lifts even the toughest of stains and isn't difficult to operate. Cleaning and maintenance are easy, and the turtle shell design is quite adorable. This machine impressed our tester as it cleaned perfect 3-inch paths through each stain. You could see the little green sucking up the fresh coffee spill. And with a little bit of elbow grease, it cleaned the set and stains of orange juice, ketchup, and potting soil with no pre-treatment and only a faint stain left behind. As a result, we think it works best on fresh stains. But it still worked well enough on set and stains to score a 4.5-star rating for effectiveness. The beloved Bissell machine took our tester around 8 minutes to set up. The directions were a little unclear, but once they followed the pictures, assembly made more sense, and the large tank was easy to fill up. Just make sure you take note of which tank is for clean water versus dirty water. Our tester also noted that the Little Green might feel a little cumbersome if you are carrying it around your home. But if it's sitting on the floor while you use the hose and attachment, it's easy and, admittedly, a little fun to use. So, add this machine to the list of TikTok hacks worth trying and carpet cleaners worth buying. Number 2. Bissell Jetscrub 25299 Upright Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Jetscrub 25299 Upright Pet Carpet Cleaner remains our top pick for a carpet cleaner hands down after multiple rounds of testing in the lab. It has multiple cleaning modes, a pre-treatment feature, and an LED light on the floor head. It's portable enough that you'll actually use it in your home to suction up stains, dirt, and more. Initially, our testers gave the upright appliance a perfect score for ease of assembly, since it was ready to go from the moment they opened the box. After retesting, our tester assigned it a 4-star rating for setup time, because the instructions were not completely insightful, but the parts still snapped together without it. This cleaner came with a storage mat and collapsible handle for stowing it away in a small closet when not in use. It was also incredibly easy to fill the water tank and add solution. There were lines indicating how much of each to add. In addition to the simple and straightforward setup, the cleaning modes were clearly labeled on the machine. There's an express clean setting for surface cleaning and a deep clean setting for stains, as well as a clean shot feature to pre-treat tough stains. In our testing, we found that all modes dried in under an hour. A floor head LED light helps illuminate any stains that might be hard to see. And the machine self-propels, so you don't have to put in a ton of elbow grease to have clean carpets. This feature earned it a 4-star rating in ease of use and a perfect 5-star rating in portability, especially when compared with bulkier machines that require a full body effort to push forward. This one quickly turned and maneuvered almost on its own, which really impressed our tester. I love that this carpet cleaner pulled itself toward the stains, so it was easy to clean a large area. They added that compared to the other carpet cleaners we tested, this one is small and by far the easiest to use. The unit sucked up the fresh coffee stain in 1 back and 4 swipe, and the set and orange juice stain in 2 back and 4 swipes. Our tester did note that the carpet was still damp 2 hours after we ran the deep clean function. So you'll want to keep pets and children off of any spots you clean for at least a few hours. The only thing it didn't pick up was the synthetic hair that was mixed in with the wet potting soil. But you could easily vacuum that up before or after your clean. Emptying the dirty water was easy and mess-free. An included brush helps clean the tank. But we found we didn't need to use it. There are no hoses or other special attachments, so the cleaner isn't the most versatile. But it works so well with the 2 available settings and has a small floor head for concentrated cleaning. Not much is left to be desired. It's also relatively quiet, similar to an average vacuum, and lighter than other models we tested. All in all, this carpet cleaner is highly effective, easy to use, and more portable than similar machines. So it's well deserving of our best overall spot and a place in your cleaning closet. Number 3. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is designed to loosen and suck up pet hair from your carpets as well as attack tough stains. For the lower price, we believe it's a great value. Pet parents will appreciate the Power Spin Pet Antimicrobial Brush Roll. That drives bristles into the fibers of carpets and rugs to loosen and collect hair. Cleaning this brush roll can be a challenge. The Hoover includes a cleaning tool to assist with the dirty job. We tested this pick at home and in the lab. In product testing at the lab, this carpet cleaner sucked up the fresh coffee stain in only one forward pass, but it required more effort for set and stains. It dragged the potting soil, so we recommend thoroughly vacuuming up any noticeable 3D stains beforehand. Our tester loved that this machine was lightweight and easy to maneuver, but wished it came with attachments to help tackle tougher stains. The Hoover PowerDash doesn't come with a ton of bells and whistles, but we were impressed with the features nonetheless, said our lab tester. It boasts 2 separate tanks, one for the clean water, and the other for the dirty water it sucks back up out of the carpet. The clean water tank only holds a half gallon, so the liquid didn't weigh the machine down as it would with a larger tank. For the affordable price, this is ultimately an excellent pick for pet owners or those who need to deep clean small spaces. When cleaning large rooms or area rugs, the half-gallon water tank requires more frequent pauses to stop, empty, and refill. However, in exchange for a smaller capacity, the machine is more compact and easier to store than many other carpet cleaners. Number 4. Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Pet owners know that fur babies come with their own set of messes, which is why we recommend the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner for any pet waste-related deep cleaning needs. If you purchase this cleaner through Rug Doctor's website, an 8-ounce bottle of their Pure Power Pet Stain and Odor Cleaning Solution is included, but you can also purchase it separately. This small but mighty machine was ready to go out of the box and was also pretty intuitive to use. Our tester's favorite feature on this cleaner is the retractable handle, which makes rolling this machine very easy between spots and for storage. The coffee stain was no match against this machine's suction power and was gone after just one pass. The red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were almost completely removed after one pass. After pre-treating the other 3 stains again and going over them 2 more times, all were faded to faint shadows. Our tester said she was impressed by how quickly this cleaner removed the stains, and she was also surprised that she did not have to refill the tank, which was still half full after 3 passes on each stain. Our tester's main gripe with this machine is the design of its clean water tank. The top of the tank is curved, which makes filling it from the bottom incredibly tricky. If you don't have an extra set of hands, although this machine is incredibly effective and lightweight, our tester said she was still surprised at its price point given some of the design features. The red tabs that hold the cord in place felt cheap, and she was definitely disappointed by the clean water tank design. Despite the sticker shock, we recommend this mighty carpet cleaner for its effectiveness and innovative rolling design. Number 5. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Anyone who is looking for a deep cleaning machine with easy-to-use features and impressive cleaning power will be satisfied with the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. This upright carpet cleaner features 2 cleaning modes. The Max Clean setting is ideal for cleaning heavily soiled carpeting, while the Express Clean uses less formula and water for faster drying times. This model undoubtedly cleaned the best in our product testing once it was assembled properly. Due to the so-so assembly process and the fact that it's so large, it resembles a commercial carpet cleaner. This cleaner lost its previous spot as our top pick. However, if you frequently encounter tough stains, are looking to clean a large area, and have the space to store this machine in a utility room or garage, this is an excellent pick. You'll need a screwdriver to assemble this machine, and you'll need to follow the directions closely. Some parts come assembled, but double check that they are locked in tightly. During testing, our dirty water tank completely leaked out during the first test, because we didn't double check that it was locked in extra tight. Once it was in place, the machine powered through all of the stains with ease though, and our tester loved utilizing the Clean Shot feature to pre-treat tough stains. It removed a good portion of the set in stains with 2 passes, and anything left over was able to be scrubbed out with the hose and attachments. It required a bit of manual labor to get the stains completely out, but it was worth it. The attachments that come with this carpet cleaner are very thoughtful and work well, too. Our tester said the machine is not super easy to maneuver or lift, but the attachments are easy to use for small areas where the entire machine would be a burden. The 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool can be used in wet or dry mode, and it has rubber bristles for capturing pet hair. A small bin on the attachment itself contains collected hair and dirt instead of sending this debris into the dirty water tank. Even people without pets will appreciate this useful tool when cleaning upholstered furniture. A 3-inch scrubbing tool is also included for hand scrubbing stains, along with a nozzle cleaning tool for clearing the brush head.